Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so we are on day number 21 and I'm sharing my journey with you as I walk through the Flylady's 31 baby steps. Alright, so 21 days. We have been working on our baby steps now for a total of 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Does it seem like it's been 3 weeks? Alright, so yesterday we added a new baby step and I felt like it was a pretty big one. We added laundry to our routine. Alright, so yesterday, did you do a complete load of laundry? Did you get it started? And then before you went to bed, was it completely put away? Let me know down in the comments how you did yesterday. Remember, we're going to add that to our morning routine and our evening routine. That way we're getting it started at some point in the day. Usually for me, it's the morning, but you just want to make sure that it is done before you go to bed that night. However that looks for you, do what works for you. All right, so today's day 21, and we're going to talk about something that you can find on the Flylady's website. Some of you are going to know this, some of you may not know this, some of you might be interested, some of you might not be interested. That's totally fine, but I did want to talk about it because it is step number 21, but it's to go to the website, which is flylady.net, and she has a section where you can ask questions and then she answers. So you can go to this section and maybe you can find a question that you've been curious about. You can see how she responded. You can submit your own question if you have a question. If there's something that you want to see, if somebody has already asked and she's responded, you can type it in the search bar and it will come up. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that because there may be questions that you have that are maybe like real specific and you want an answer to, so you can see how she would actually answer you. She still does live shows, so you can submit questions. You can submit them to her on, I think she has a Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram, through her website. There's just all different kind of places to find her. So if you want to ask her a specific question, you can do that. But there's a good chance that something that you're wanting to ask, she may have already answered. All right, so today, since this is my journey, and that's what I'm wanting to share with you guys, I want to know if you have any questions specific to me. This is my second go around with the Flylady system. I've told y'all before that the first time when I tried this 2 years ago, I tried to do too much. I got burnt out and I quit. I just decided it wasn't for me. And then a month or so ago, I kind of started playing with some zone cleaning and just some other things, and I realized that I was finally ready to make the jump back into Flylady. Some things about it just really started making sense to me, and so here I am. So far everything is going really well for me. I really believe in this system because now I really understand it. I realize that it really is about creating routines. Once we've been through the baby steps, we can tweak things, we can make them, you know, super specific to us, and then just keep going and keep building on our routines. So if you have a question for me that is Flylady related to kind of my specific journey, something that you're curious about, maybe you want to know how I do something a specific way, or how I feel about something, I don't know. Whatever your question is, as long as it's Flylady related, ask me down in the comments and then I will respond and answer you down in the comments. So that's it for today. We don't have anything new. You can check out again flylady.net and just kind of explore the website some more and, you know, check out the questions and answers, and you might find something that you really wanted to know. And we're just going to keep working on our routines. We're going to keep doing our morning routine. We're going to keep doing our evening routine. And I'm not repeating them in every video because I want you to get out your control journal. I want you to look at what you have written down because that's what you're supposed to be doing. I don't want you to count on me to know what your routines are. I want you to get out that control journal, look at it, check it off when you've done it. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider subscribing down below. And I will see you guys tomorrow.